To overhaul the indicator relief valve assembly, hold the retainer nut of relief valve and slacken the spring retainer. Remove spring cap and spring. Take out the relief valve. Remove relief valve body and retain the copper gasket. Slacken the union nut of indicator valve. Remove the washer, handle and lock nut. Slacken the valve holding nut and remove the valve spindle. Slacken and remove the indicator connector. After dismantling, soak all the components in kerosene to remove the carbon deposits. Lap the valve seat and valve using a grinding paste. After cleaning, reassemble all the components in the reverse order.